I say hi, welcome to the show. We love you so. I feel so good. Hello, hello. We play the blues. Sometimes we swing.
Can you believe it?
We also rock. Sometimes we stay. Would you shake that thing and boogie too? When you're feeling low, come on, have a good time. We will
Mr. Upscale's shop. I have a special guest with us today. So this is my wife, Ann.
Hi, everybody.
She's going to be doing a couple things for us today. First thing we're going to do is open up the Fink Giveaway. Now, Ann is going to be building this model on the channel and also painting it, assembling it, painting it. And we'll have sequences of that going over the next few videos, and we'll be posting that online. This is our giveaway for 250 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who've subscribed to the channel and are watching the videos and supporting us. We're trying to grow the channel. We're doing a lot with artwork that we both like and enjoy. There he is. There's the Fink. Mrs. Upscale, we appreciate you doing this for the contest. Everybody, we look forward to the upcoming episodes where you'll be painting him and putting together, doing the detail work. We also have upcoming 2 builds that we're working on, which is the hashtag under 1000 GB build. I'm doing a 54 Chevy panel, and I'm also doing the scale build of Gentleman's with polystyrene relics, and I'm doing the 34 Ford 5-window coupe, the AMT kit, and I'll be going through that a little later in the video. To the channel. So I'm going to do the unboxing of the 34 Ford for the scale build of Gentleman's group build, and kind of looking forward to that. I purchased this kit quite a few years ago. I'm kind of excited to build it. So AMT kit, the 34 Ford 5-window coupe. And kind of looking forward to this. I'm going to be customizing it, because we can't do anything that's not custom, right? So I just want to go through this. See, you can see it's still in the plastic. I've never opened it. It's been sitting on my shelf. There's some serious tread on this car, I'm telling you. License plate decal, very, very cool. If I can find my knife here. The glass, the windshield, white walls, of course. You have to have white walls. There's the chrome parts. Got the grill, the flathead valve covers, dual carburetor setup. That's kind of cool. Bumpers, chrome trim for the windshield. The headlight buckets, horn. It's kind of neat. Let's take a look at the nice kit. I never really looked at it. The interior bucket seat. There's a divider for the interior. Here's the body. It's nice. That's a really nice body. Fenders in the hood. Engine side covers for the hood. Fender skirts. Pretty slick. Spare tire for the rear. Here are the spoke wheels. The engine block. Again, we have those manifold covers in chrome and also just in the raw plastic shock. And then here's the chassis, which is separate from the fenders and the rear end. The video this time, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. We'll have some more stuff coming on the channel, more guests. We've got the Fink Giveaway coming. We got the 2 build-offs that we're involved with on YouTube. A great building community out there. Boy, we get a lot of positive comments and support from everybody, so we really appreciate that. Until next time, peace. Build those cars.